Oh my lord, it's bloody freezing. So it was snowing overnight and oh, I've got a sore throat, and it's all like defrosting and melting now, but I think we're gonna have to put our grippy things on tomorrow because it looks like it's gonna be icy. Oh bloody hell. But yeah, it's a little bit dodgy for walking in today, but it's not too bad. So yeah, I'm just nipping out to get some bits of food for tonight for tea, because like I said, we didn't really plan that. We went out yesterday for a coffee with Jason's mum, but just before that we'd had a phone meeting with the mortgage broker, and then we literally had to whiz out because we were running late by that point. And by the time we'd done that, we were both just completely wiped out. We'd planned to go and buy some food for tonight. We were like, oh yeah, we'll do it separately and we'll get something really nice and special. And we were both in Tesco, and I was just like, Jay, I just want to go home. I just want to leave. I felt really sick and just horrendous. So yeah, so I said, listen, I will do it on Sunday. I'll go out when the shop's open, because obviously they open later, don't they, on a Sunday. I said I will go out and I'll get something, don't worry about it. So so yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Oh god, bloody hell. Anyway, I don't know what I'm gonna get. I mean, Jay was talking about getting a nice bit of steak or something like that, but it's so goddamn expensive nowadays, isn't it? I really like ribeye steak, but it's just the price. It pisses me off. But thinking, we've got to be careful what we buy, because we haven't got a working oven. They've still not fixed it. So I mean, they were talking about getting a brand new cooker, because the one we've got is like 5 years, nearly 6 years old. It was brand new when we moved in. So so they were talking about maybe getting a new one, but that needs approving by the landlord. And I mean, I'd emailed her for an update Friday morning, and she was like, yeah, we're just waiting for approval from the landlord. What do they expect us to do over the weekend? Honestly. So anyway, yes, going getting the food now. So I'll see you in a bit.
You got me hypnotized, you make me realize, yeah. Just tell me, baby, who's out by your side? 'Cause every day and night I'm about to lose my mind. We're like birds of a feather by design. You know I kiss but never tell. Oh, I just wanna take a chance. The way you move, it gets me grooving on the dance floor. You know I wish upon a well, and I'ma take you to the moon. 'Cause I get lifted when you come around. I feel like Michael Jackson. You know it's in the way you move. You make me feel like Michael Jackson. You know it's in the way you move, way you move, way you move. You got me singing. Don't stop, can't get enough. Just play along. You make me feel like Michael Jackson. Don't stop, can't get enough. Just play along. You make me feel like Michael Jackson.
Lil' mama, you a PYT, dangerous. The way you call my EYE, shorty bad, made me wanna hit the rewind. See you running back, I'm with you till I DIE. Baby, you could be my dirty Diana. You know I'm the only one that you really a fan of. Tell them other boys beat it. You are not alone, I'll be there long as you need it. So undefeated, you know why?
Kiss but never tell. Oh, I just wanna take a chance. The way you move, it gets me grooving on the dance floor. You know I wish upon a well, and I'ma take you to the
Yeah,
moon.
so baby, here's the deal. Me and you should chill, 'cause the way you make me feel, I feel like Michael Jackson.
You know it's in the way you move. You make me feel like Michael Jackson. You know it's in the way you move, way you move, way you move. You got me singing. You make me feel like Michael Jackson. You make me feel like Michael Jackson. And I will. She got that lucky 7, Michelin. Girl, you my taste of heaven. Adrenaline get me so high, 'cause I get lifted when you come around. I feel like Michael Jackson. You know it's in the way you move. You make me feel like Michael Jackson. You know it's in the way you move, way you move, way you move. You got me singing. You make me feel like Michael Jackson.
Hi guys. So, I've just had my shower and done all my face. What do you call it when you do the scrapey thing on your face? Is it dermaplaning or something like that? Well, that's the professional thing, isn't it? When you have it done in a proper place. Anyway, I've done that with my face. Terrified of like getting a full-on beard though when I do that. I've been doing it for a while now, and I don't think I am like beardy, and I've not done it for a while. But anyway, my makeup sits loads better when I've done it, so you know. Who cares if I get a beard? So we've got all the meal prep done. I think I've done 5 meals for this coming week, because I'm going to Chester on Friday. So the lads have got corned beef hash for Friday evening, and then we'll do takeaway night on Saturday when I come back. So that will be nice. And yeah, got all my jobs done, all the laundry's done, everything. I've just got to sit down and work out all my bill dates for the month, because I've not done that yet, and I need to sort it out. I normally do that earlier on in the week, but I completely forgot. So yeah, so I've got to do all that. And yeah, we've signed the mortgage application today and emailed that off to our broker. We've signed the direct debit form for the mortgage payments. So yeah, it's all going on. So guys, that's the end of this vlog. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Goodbye.